Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with you all some updates that I've made to my tiny homes business plan template using artificial intelligence for 2024. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the tiny homes business plan template updates that I made for 2024. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if you all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. First update that I made is I used AI to generate just a generic logo for the tiny homes business plan template. And so what I did was I used the chat GPT, went into it, just told it to generate me just a generic tiny home logo. And it provided me a few different options. And this is the option I like the best. And so that's the one I'm going to use for the business plan template. Just keep in mind, you can go ahead and change this out with your own logo, but now we've got a nice little placeholder. So the way that the template's now going to look once you open it, the initial page is going to have tiny homes up front, the logo, and then business plan underneath. And I like the structure because at the top, it gives you the opportunity to go ahead and put your company name there. And then again, it also gives you a placeholder right here to put your logo, or you can keep this logo. And then underneath the business plan just sets the reader's expectations as to what's going to be included in the document. And the second update that I made is for the services section for the company description section of the business plan template for the tiny homes business plan template. And so for this section right here is I had a nice little blurb in here to give you all a great starting point for describing the services you're going to be offering, because tiny homes can be just one tiny home or it can be a community of tiny homes, and the template is flexible enough to be able to accommodate either structure that you're going to use. And so what I did is I took the initial services section that I previously had, plugged it into ChatGPT, and it just spruced it up a little bit, add a little bit more content, changed the writing around a little bit. And I like the end result, so I went ahead and included it. Just keep in mind that you can keep what you like, or you can go ahead and change it out and make sure it's going to reflect your thoughts and ideas of your tiny home community. And finally, what I've done is for the tiny homes industry, it's a really a rather new industry right now. There's no subsection, no industry research out there that's reliable, but it does fall under the umbrella of campgrounds and RV park industry, and so that's the industry research that I use for the template. So, as we all know, it's critical to have updated industry research for any kind of a business plan you're going to be writing. So, what I did was I went out, I obtained I used my subscription for IBIS World. I obtained the report for campgrounds and RV park industry, and I went ahead and extrapolated some important pieces of information from there. I summed it up, put in my own words, and included it into the business plan template. And so now the tiny homes template has up-to-date information from 2024 from IBIS World, which is an industry leader in industry research. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.